Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to clean the print heads on your Epson printer model L380 without the need to use a computer. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now guys, let's get started. This process is very simple. The first thing we're going to do is press the cancel button for 3 seconds, just as you can see in the video. Keep it pressed until the power button starts blinking. At that moment, the printer will automatically begin the print head cleaning process, which takes approximately 5 minutes. It is very important to let the printer complete the process without interrupting it in any way during this time. Once the cleaning process is finished, the printer will become completely still. That will be the indicator that the cleaning has been completed successfully. We wait until this happens. When we notice that the power light is steady and no longer blinking, we are going to turn off the printer. Next, we place paper in the tray because we are going to perform a color test to verify that the cleaning was effective. With the printer turned off, we are going to press these 2 buttons at the same time. We keep them pressed until the power button starts blinking again. This will make the printer perform a color test, where we will be able to check the condition of each color. Here we have the printed color test. We can see that the black, yellow, and red colors are completely filled, which indicates that the print heads are clean and working properly. Additionally, on this sheet, we can also see the number of color pages printed, the number of black and white pages, and the total number of pages. As you can see, guys, the process is very simple. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.